like that.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we are gonna be reviewing some products from Tijn. For just a quick run through as to how I got these free products from Tijn and how I was able to do a collaboration with them. First things first, June 21, I was able to receive an email from their marketing team saying that they would love to offer me 2 glasses and maybe a bag or a shoes. And then July 14, the deal was closed. We were able to smoothly talk about how we are gonna do the collab. And then by August 1st of August, I was able to receive the package. And take note, I spent zero amount of money, as in totally zero. I didn't spend for the shipping fee, I didn't spend for the custom fee, as in like literally I spent nothing. So I got the products for free. Now, for you guys who don't know what Tijn is actually a brand from Hong Kong. I just suppose because that is the address from the package. Anyways, they are a Hong Kong based brand and they sell eyeglasses, sunglasses, bags, shoes, sandals, and even accessories. So they sell a lot. They actually have a website and they also have their Instagram page, separate for Tijn Eyewear and separate for Tijn Home. If you're gonna scroll from their website, you can see that they have there a lot of glasses, variations of frames of their glasses. They also have different colors, and then what I like is that the frame is not solely just round frames or square frames. They have a lot to offer and the colors are really nice. So yeah, if you want to order, you just go check their channel. I'll be putting their link and I'll also be putting their Instagram page in the description box below. So don't forget to follow them and check their Instagram page. Anyways, my initial choice, or the choice that I made when they asked me to choose from their collections, is first is the Maeia transparent from the Origin collection, which is this. And the second pair of glasses that I chose was the Antonio Peach from the Summer Palette collection, which is this. And they also told me I can choose either a bag or a shoes from them, so what I chose was the Helka Black, which is this. Those were my prior choices when they told me to choose from the products that they sell. Okay, so in the middle of having a conversation with them, the marketing team actually told me that Helka Black is not available at that time. So yeah. Anyways, let us now proceed to the review. Let us first review this product from the packaging. You can see that it's gray, it's matte gray, it's very sleek, and it's made of cardboard, I suppose. And then stated here is that we use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. Oh, that's nice. And then here's how you open it. And then it's stated here that #Tijn Eyewear on Instagram to share the story of your eyes. So yeah, and when you open it, the very first thing you actually see is this cute triangular pouch. This is how it looks like. And there are also some inclusions such as this cute card which says that when the winds are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. There. And it also has an order form with my name in it. I don't know. And last thing you'll see when you open this cute box is this microfiber wiper for your glasses. Now for the pouch, I think this one is made of leather. The quality is really nice. And then it has a magnetic seal in it. What do you call this one? It has a magnet in here so that it automatically closes when you open. See? And then here is the glasses. So this one is in the shade Maeia Transparent. This is how it looks like. There. It has some gold details here. It has color golds in here. And it's really fancy. It's like a reading glasses, but a lot fancier. This one is actually $50. Yes, $50. If we're gonna convert that one into Philippine peso, this will cost 2,521. Now to see if this is comfortable to wear, let's wear it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm sorry if the ring light is showing much, but this is how it looks like. It's really cool. It's very comfortable to wear, especially in this in the nose bridge part. It's really comfortable, and it's very lightweight actually, and the screen is very clear. You can really see that it has a high quality from the material itself. And I just would like to appreciate their pouch, the triangular pouch, because I love it so much. Because aside from the magnetic feature it has in here, it's also very handy dandy. You can just bring it everywhere. You can just put it in your handbag. You know, it's nice. Now I actually don't know what happened, but the Antonio Peach from the summer palette collection did not arrive, or maybe it's still on the way, or I don't know, but it did not arrive. So if we're gonna go back to their email, they actually stated there that they would love to offer me 2 glasses and either 1 pair of shoes or a bag. Now I already received 1 glasses and the other glasses did not arrive, and instead of the bag or the shoes, they actually offered me an alternative since it wasn't available at that time. So the alternative that they actually offered me is this one. Please don't mind the box because this is a box within a box. So this is how it looks like. Ta-da! It still has an order form, my name in it. This is Orange by Tijn, reliable screen glasses. As you can see, the packaging is really nice. It's very handy dandy. Then it also have here a warning, especially for children, and stated here is, thank you, we use minimal and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. And then in this part we have here, protect your eyes from harmful blue light. Considering the new normal that we are always on our computers and our laptops, cell phones, because everything is online, so we have to protect our eyes from blue light or from blue rays. Wearing glasses such as this one is a good way to protect our eyes from blue light. Now as for the opening of this product, what I like is that this is how you open it. Ta-da! So here is the first thing you see, another glasses that is packed like this. And then the inclusions are, of course, their microfiber wiper for your glasses, and this cute card, Orange by Tijn, problem with your order, just have to email them. And then how to join 1-year protection plan, 1 year. So yeah, it's a card about their 1-year protection plan. So I have yet to explore this one. And then the actual glasses looks like this. So yeah, and then we're gonna open it. The packaging has prints Orange by Tijn. I don't know if you can see it, but there. And then the actual glasses is here. Oops. Now this is how it looks like. It has a label here, anti-fog. I don't know if you can see it, but this one, the color is gold. I don't know, I've been bombarded with gold lately. So the color is gold and it has this white details. It's nice. It looks really elegant. I cannot show it in the camera, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this cute rough detail in there. I am not so sure on what frame this is, but I think it's in the Rhina frame or in the hipster round frame because it wasn't stated in the order form. So yeah. Anyways, I'll be wearing it for you to see how it will look like. So yeah, for someone like me who has this very round face and with this small frame, I don't think it looks good on me. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Like I said, it is important for us to wear glasses with blue blocking features because it is important for us to protect our eyes. Now, aside from the blue blocking feature of this eyeglasses, what I also like is that it is anti-fog. Is that a weird way to test if it is anti-fog? Anyways, it is important for us to have glasses that are anti-fog because we are wearing masks like every now and then, especially now that it's pandemic. So let's see if it is really anti-fog. Whoa, I'll do it closer. Whoa, there's really no fog. The next way to test if it is really anti-fog is for us to grab a cup of coffee or soup. So I actually have here a mug of coffee. Let's see if it is really anti-fog. Guys, this is real coffee. It's hot coffee. I don't know if you can see, but see, is zero fog. Look, if we're gonna use the other glasses, which is the Maeia, see, there is fog. There. Now this glasses is actually retailed or sold for $26.99. So if we're gonna convert that one to Philippine peso, that will be 1,361 pesos for this anti-fog and blue light blocking glass. Now these are the glasses that were sent to us by Tijn for our collaboration. We have here the orange by Tijn Eyewear and the Maeia transparent. Now, I just don't know what happened to the Antonio Peach from the summer palette collection, but Tijn, if you're watching, I really want to try that specific frame because that frame really caught my attention. Anyways, so yeah, it's nice. I think it's worth the price and the quality is really high. They have round shapes, they have square shaped, other shapes, and they also have printed different colors. So it's really nice because you have a wide ocean of choices if you're gonna buy from them. So yeah. Anyways, before we end this video, I just first would like to thank Tijn for this collaboration. This is actually my second international collaboration and I'm very thankful for your kindness. And if you are interested to buy from Tijn, especially their eyewears, they have really good eyewears and frames and bags and shoes. So please check the description box for the link to their websites and for the link to their Instagram pages. Anyways, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in our next video. Bye!